Hello students, myself Manoj Pandey of Mathematics from LBM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Today we discuss the remaining question of sphere of exercise 13.4. Show the question number 7 of exercise 13.4. Question number 7. Question number 7, as we start, the diameter of moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of earth. Find the ratio of their surface area. The diameter of earth, diameter of earth equal to d. The radius of earth equal to d by 2. The diameter of moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of earth. So the diameter of moon equal to d by 4, and the radius of moon equal to d by 8. So the surface area and the ratio of their surface area of moon upon surface area of earth equal to 4 pi r1 square upon 4 pi r2 square, just equal to 4 pi r1 d by 2 whole square, d by 8 whole square upon 4 pi d by 2 whole square. 4 pi cancel, and d square upon 64, d square upon 4, just equal to d into 4 upon d into d square into 64, d square cancel, and 1 upon 16, the ratio equal to 1:16. 1:16 is the ratio of the surface area of moon and the surface area of earth. So in this question the diameter is given. The diameter of earth, let us suppose that d, and the diameter of moon is 1/4 of the diameter of earth. First we find the radius of moon as well as the radius of earth. So we write the surface area of moon first and the surface area of the earth to get the result of 1:16 is the surface area of moon to the ratio of surface area of earth. Clear? Next, Next question. Question number 8. The question number 8 is a hemispherical bowl is made of steel 0.25 centimeter thick. The inner radius of the bowl is 5 centimeter. Find the outer chord surface area of the bowl. The inner radius of bowl. Inner radius of bowl is 5 centimeter and thickness of bowl equal to 0.25 centimeter. So the outer radius of bowl equal to 5 plus 0.25 equal to 5.25 centimeter. Now here the hemispherical bowl is given and the inner surface radius of the bowl is 5 centimeter and the thickness of bowl is 0.25 centimeter. So the outer radius of the bowl is equal to the inner radius plus thickness. So the inner radius plus thickness is equal to the 5.25 centimeter is the outer radius. So find the outer chord surface area. Outer chord surface area of bowl is equal to 2 pi r square. So 2 into 22 by 7 or 5.25 into 5.25. Clear? Seven divided point 7 sevens are 49. 3 7 5s are 35. 1.50 into 22 into 5.25. Now we multiply 33 into 5.25. 33.00 into 5.25. Now we multiply 5 to 5 into 33. So we get 173.25 centimeter square is the chord surface area of a hemispherical bowl. So the chord surface area of a hemispherical bowl. Clear? Next. Now the question number 9. The question number 9 is a right circular cylinder just enclose a sphere of radius r. Just enclose a sphere of radius r. Now a right circular cylinder just enclose the sphere of radius r. Radius equal to r, and find the surface area of the sphere. First, surface area of sphere equal to 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square is the surface area of a sphere. The sphere has the radius r. The sphere has a radius r is given, and the second chord surface area of the cylinder. Second chord surface area of a cylinder equal to 2 pi RH. So the height equal to 2r, because the height is equal to the diameter of sphere. The height is equal to the diameter of sphere. So 2 pi r into 2r is equal to 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square is the chord surface area of a hemisphere. 4 pi r square is the chord surface area of a hemisphere, because this hemisphere has a radius r, and the height of cylinder is equal to the diameter of sphere. So diameter of sphere equal to 2r, and the 2r equal to the height of sphere. Now third, ratio of surface area of sphere upon chord surface area of cylinder equal to 4 pi r square upon 4 pi r square. So that 1:1 as the ratio of surface area of sphere and the ratio of chord surface area of cylinder. Clear? Now thank you.